Okay guys, what we're looking at here is the gate to the goat pen. And it's broken. Goats are good at breaking things. They like to rub on the chain link, and they just push on it with their side. Let's see if the goat will come and show us. Hello, Bella. And the old chain link was never designed for goats. It's actually built for my dog about 10 years ago. You can see it's all, I've wired it back on, but it's broken again. Very temporary fix before. So what I'm going to do is cut all the chain link out and put rebar, like a picket fence, and weld it up. Should be a lot stronger. Give them a little bit more to push on. But to do it, I gotta take the door off and release the goats. What's going to happen? The goats are going to come out here, and all the ducks are going to go in there. Pretty much guarantee it. This is what should come apart. Simple. They're looking for rice. That pot, that's a sticky rice pot. I used to use it to, when I was milking the brown one, to put rice in for her. Okay, got the chain link out. Oh, the goats are going crazy. They are not impressed. That's what it's going to be like. This is not square, so everyone's going to have to be individually cut. I'm going to put these here 3 inches apart and run another one down the middle probably, just for some extra strength. That's the first 3, 12 altogether. They're just tacked right now. That's what she's going to look like. It's all tacked together. Just need to weld it out now. Should be a little stronger than before. I'm hoping. And I haven't even caught the wood chips on fire yet. Not yet. Kind of looks like a jail now, doesn't it? It's upside down. But she's ready to go. Hot off the press. Okay, let's go get her installed so the goats can relax. The inspection crew is in taking a look. What do you think, girl? Going to pass or not? Oh, they're still hot. I'm gonna burn your nose. Oh, there it is. The hardest part of that was getting it back on. These hinges are really easy to take the door off, but to get everything lined up so they slide back together, it's really difficult. I got these on all my doors in the barn here and in the workshop. They're cheap, they work good, strong, but to get them to go in is really, really difficult. It's got to be lined up perfect. So what do you think anyway? Something new, huh? And you don't like new, I know that. I don't see any ducks in there. And the goats finally gave up being crazy and went back inside. Some were eating, some were sleeping. Alright guys, well that's it. It's lunchtime here. She's checking every world. Look at that, huh? Amazing. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching.